And welcome everybody to another kind of exciting day. I put a couple. I was just about to send out a tweet, and Gunnar called me, right? And I was gonna send out a tweet with this chart on it right here, right? This is the chart I was gonna send out, and I'll just share with you guys really quick. Yeah, I need a pump and dump romper for sure. I'm just gonna share with you guys really quick this is the image I was gonna say. So I had a couple funny things I was gonna say about the shorts going on right now. Hold on, let me find this other one. Oh, so it was disturbing and hilarious at the same time. So I wouldn't judge you for disconnecting right now. Before I put these images up, I thought they were hilarious. All right, let me find this one. Hold on. Where is it at? Oh. Let me see if I can find this thing. Where in the heck are you at, damn it? Huh. I guess I didn't save it. Oh, there it is. All right. All right. So, this is funny. So, we were just talking about the shorts over here and how the shorts, Mr. Anderson just commented on this. We've all been talking about the shorts. And I was just saying, God, he was saying, I wonder where all the shorts went. So I was going to send him back these images. I said, I think I found the shorts, right? These are definitely the shorts he was looking for. And I understand now why nobody wants them, right? I understand why the shorts are so low and nobody wants shorts. It's simply a fashion statement. That's it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. It is simply a fashion statement. Shorts are going out of style. They're no bueno right now. And so now, let me just preface this, right? Because as I say that, as I say that to everybody, okay, you guys can all make fun of me. All right, here we are. Hold on, let me bring this up. Right there. Vamp's dumbass is loading shorts, okay? And let me tell you why I'm like, I was like, all right, I'm loading shorts, and I loaded it right here at the tippy top. And listen, I loaded shorts for a couple reasons, right? I felt that, we ran into this resistance point. And I did this. This was posted 1 a.m. in the morning. So, like right now, it is 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you guys know, I've been looking to load shorts, and I've had this up here for 2 days, right? Love the area. I've been playing alts long, and I'm looking for major shorts as scalps, right? For majors short as scalps. And, that's what I did. I finally found what I was looking for, kind of stalled out. I'm in, let's see if it holds. Now, in order for this to turn out to be a relatively good trade, this has got to really come down here. It's got to break this line right here. It has to break this line. So it's going to come down here, crash back into all this resistance right here, crash back into this trend line. And if it holds, then I'll just be like, okay, I'll probably dump my shorts out or I'll set my stop loss and profit. And then we'll just go from there. Now, let me show you why this is kind of a struggle is real for me, right? So where is that chart? Where are you? There it is, okay? So listen, we went over this yesterday, right? And I put this in the members area. This is the story of my life right now. BTC is playing with my emotions, right? So every time previously that we've broken out here, right? Every time you break over, right, you get these big, huge monster candles, right? You break this, look at this, it goes sideways, and then it broke. And look at that big candle right there, that big, juicy candle, right? Now, we got rejected here, right? Got completely rejected here and just got slapped down, right? And then look, here you broke over, you broke the white line. This is the bull break line, this white line right here. Giant monster candle that broke here. Look at this beautiful big fat candle, right? You got this nice big fat green candle. So there's just something about this exact line. Look, we're gonna come back over here. There it is, same thing. You line that baby up, and this thing just goes, gets a nice little run up. Okay, now here's my challenge that I have right now. Okay. man, it's so tough. Now I look at this, and unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on what side of the team you're on, whose team you're on right now. But my thing is that we have done a massive run up, on this MACD. Right now, this is my MACD with my RSI source, right? So this is, look, you got the RSI as the source over here on your MACD chart. And we've done this massive run up, like 7.8%, 7.8 points, 7.8 points, 7.6 points right here. This is like 5 points, and this is like 5 or 6 points, but you've had this huge run up and you've had nothing, right? And I compared these all. So you have the run from here to here, the run from here to here, and now the run from here to here. And here's the thing, our indicator is higher, right? And I want to point this out, right? So this right here, this is this right there, okay? That little wick right there. Okay, so now we have made a lower high with a higher high on our indicator. Okay, right? So we've made a lower high with the price, but a higher high with our indicator. Okay, does anybody, it's bearish to me, right? That says bearish divergence to me. Okay, and Brian, listen. I'm not giving up on the. I still think we're going down. Right now, can we crack deep? I don't know, man. They won't let us fall. Nobody's selling their Bitcoin. Nobody wants to liquidate their Bitcoin out. People are waiting. I mean, I don't think I'd let my Bitcoin go either. Unless it got super deep, right? I wouldn't dump mine because, you kind of know the ETFs are possibly coming. And that's going to be massive for your bags, right? If you're holding your bags, that's kind of when you want to dump. I would sit back and wait to dump my bags of Bitcoin once the ETFs got approved. Okay, now if you look here, you got a 700-point run, 513-point run, 302-point run. And now we're just starting to fall out a little bit, right? We're starting to give a little bit of it away. We're only on a 6, so we hit a green 6, which to me is a little bullish. Green 6 is bullish, right? On the 12-hour. This is a bullish candle. Now this red 6 was supposed to be bearish to me, and historically this has been bearish, right? But that's not what we got, right? We just printed up. Look at this beautiful 12-hour reversal candle. Right? I mean, you just can't get any more bearish than this hanging man here, spinning top doji here, doji spinning top over here. You're finally rolling over on your Stokes, but listen, your true strength index is not, right? Your TSI, your WMA TSI is still not rolled over. Right? Let's bring this out to the daily, see what we got for the daily. Now on the daily, listen, we posted up a beautiful candle right here, right? Quasi shooting starish, maybe itty bitty bit shooting starish here, right? Got a little tail on this one, right? A little pigtail on this one, got a big pigtail on this one. So we're just kind of have to see how this plays out. Let's see if we posted up any new candles. Nope, nothing. Oh wait, has that got a new candle to it? No, that looks like an existing candle. Existing candle, yep, nothing changed. 2-day, 3-day, nothing. All right, so we're back to the daily. Yeah, so we're just waiting and watching for this thing. I'm really just watching the Stokes here to see if we're gonna roll over. Watching everything, all my indicators here to see if we roll over. The only thing that I've just really, this is the only thing right here. This just pokey over, right? This little tickle right here over my bull break line does, this just gets me scared in my shorts right now, right? Scares me in my shorts. And if anybody saw the pictures I posted up a little bit earlier on the show, you'd be scared of those shorts too. So listen, came up into our bear resistance. This is our resistance area, came up, tapped this baby out. And let's see what can happen over here over the next couple hours. Let's just give this some time. Comes down, bounces off this trend line, which 100% is totally possible. Get one last little push back up. I can still count a 5 wave out of this, right? As if this was a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can still count that up on that rising wedge. I'm still looking for this to fall back out here, right? My support zones. You've got support zones in here. You got support zones in here. And I'm going to clone this and move this bad boy up right into the red area. So back down into this red area. If this red band holds again, then I'm going to really take a close look, right? If this comes down and just catches on here and stays inside of this channel, I'm going to have to really assess this trend line with this channel right here, which is now would be considered a bearish channel as this is falling down. Money flow, money flow. Yep, nada, nothing. Yep, no. RSI bubble chart. Listen, we broke it. We broke it. The bubble chart on the RSI worked really well. Did a good job calling that long trade. Good job, bubble chart. So the second we broke that long trade line, boom. And now you're getting the retrace, and we're just going to have to kind of see how this continues to play out here. Like I said, we'll see how well the Vamp does. I'm not going to change this. Still sucky, still really sucky by the Vamp right there. Historical resistance broke through this historical resistance zone over here. So we're going to have to, now this is going to act as support, right? So now that you're going to have to go back down, and this is going to be support. Right, and that just goes back to the chart over, where's it at? Right over here, right, where this is all support right here. This whole band right here is support, and it kind of, shows that right here. This is now support area, and this will have to fall all the way back down here. Rolled over, and look at that, right at the 70. So we rolled over right at 70. Now look what's happened historically on the 12-hour when we've rolled over right on that 70. So last time we rolled over on that 70, boom, the party was over. The lights went out. That was a pretty substantial drop. Now, do I expect to get any kind of a drop like this? And the answer is pretty much no, I don't. We just don't have the volatility I feel right now to fall like that. So, even if we did this, I would still be looking for a down, test back up, and then down again before I got even a little, a little more squishy on a big dump right here, okay? So I've always said, where does B end? Where is B ending? So we're going to go over here. Here's where our chart is. We've talked about this many times. Where is the end of B, right? Where is the end of this B wave, right? Here's our big wave, A, B, C, okay? Where is the end of this freaking B wave, right? Is it here, right here, where we're at? Is it a little bit higher? And I'm going to scoot this over. I'm not going to change the height value of it. I'm just going to leave it over here a little bit more, okay? And just, scoot that over right like that. And, where is this B ending? So let me scoot this over and plop this there. Right, there's my B. Right now, where does my B end? I'm just going to kind of slide this along right here. Now, my challenge is, is the end of B up here? Right? Is the end of B right here? Is the end of B? And I don't really know at this moment. I really wish I had. And my problem is just volume based. I have a volume based issue, volume based deficiency. So I'm leaving that right there, and I'm gonna leave that right there. Okay. So where does B end? Right? A, B, C. Got A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5 right there, or is this 1, 2? Is still making a 3, come down for a 4, and then run up for a 5. I don't know. I honestly don't know where B ends. I just don't. I wish I did, but I don't. especially right now. Simply volatility is what's killing me. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at our ADX charts. And let's take a look over here. So we did have a bearish downturn. So we do have a bearish downturn. Let's just watch how this baby plays out. And over on the daily, let's go peek at our daily ADX chart. Listen, it came up, tapped our 382. Look at this. Look at all the confluence along this 382 line right here. Right? It's just like you can draw this line all the way across. It's just bang, 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 bang. All these touches all the way across, and a touch and got rejected. Now, another reason why I pulled a short right here is because there is a lot of confluence on this line, and you can just see all the opens and closes and opens and closes and all the wick outs. And at least maybe I can just squeeze a little bit of money out of this trade and then just go back up one more time. Maybe come over here and test this trend line, right? Which I'm going to have to go probably hunt down that trend line on the backside. Making a bullish, so listen, we made a cross. This is significant right here, okay? I didn't even see this. I was waiting for it. There's my little waiting warning. When these cross right there. So look, the daily has touched, right? And there's the last, here, look, here's the last time. Here's another time. So when this daily touches, look, but the orange line is continuing bearish. So it touched into the pink, but the orange line is continuing bearish. Gotcha. Orange and histo touched. That's bullish. So listen, or neutral. That's also neutral. That's also neutral right here, right? So you basically have your bearish indicator down and your bullish indicator down. So you need them. They need to both be coalesced in the opposite direction or headed towards each other or away from each other to have picked a direction, right? And here they're both, they've actually chosen to go neutral right now. And that's it. So that's all. Nothing has changed right there. It just looks like neutral. Get some rest, Journey. It's been a long day, buddy. Not a lot of trading. I don't think you're going to miss anything over the next couple hours here. Yeah, I'm going to have to hunt this down to when the last time, like there it is right there. Right, and there it was right there. And that was very bullish. All right, very bullish when the orange crossed the pink. Because the orange doesn't really cross the pink. And that's definitely bullish. Look, they were both headed in the same direction, in the neutral direction right there. See, look, that was headed down. This was headed down. Didn't do it there. Yeah, they were both headed down here too. So the blue was headed down and the orange was headed down. Okay, that was bullish though right there. Very interesting. All right, looking for this break, right? So I'm still looking for the break on this. We're getting closer. So we're getting a little bit closer to the bullish break on the WMA. All right, and let's see, I have one more of these charts. Let's see right here. Okay, it's the daily and the 12-hour posted up. Historical volatility. Ooh, we did make a move. Look at that. We did make a move right there. Hmm. Okay, so it's called a low volume move. So all that is, that was just a low volume move right there. So this retrace back down is just a lack of volume. Basically, the volume just died in the market, and that's all that is a signal of. This signaled a lack of volume in the market. Okay. And nothing. So we did a bunch of stuff in the members area with this chart today. Pretty interesting. I'll catch that up later. Shorts, longs. Man, all right. So now my shorts, my longs. Okay, so now the longs. Longs moving into the overbought danger area. All right, so the longs are now moving into the danger area. This is when you got to be concerned for a long snap, actually, right? It's a long snap. When you get up here, you can start to get some long issues. You're a little oversold on the longs up here, and you can see some crashes that have happened back in the past. But we've never been down this low, and we still are angled lower on this. Look at this, just diving out of the sky right now. It's just crazy. Oh, the BCH longs, yeah, that's got to. It's funny because on alts, usually it's completely. It's one or the other. Like ETH shorts, like there for a while, were absolutely insane. The ETH shorts were just nuts. Now looking at our histogram right here, it looks like we're rolling back over to the bearish side on our histogram, on our 12-hour Phoenix. So this does look like this is rolling bearish on us. The RSI did roll bearish. The Stoke looks like it's trying to roll bearish on us. We're just going to have to see how that trying to break out. Nothing changed. The test. And we're going to run through this as quickly as possible. Nothing. No cross. So we did make a cross. Now this is a bearish cross right here between the Kaijun, and it's also trying to make a bearish cross on the. This is a bearish cross on the 6-hour, and a bearish cross on the 12-hour. So you have two bearish crosses coming. Okay. Kaijun and 20 and shit. What's the other one? What's the other damn indicator's name? It's Kaijun and damn it, brain fart, guys. Damn it, it's the Kaijun and the what? What's the other one? Oh, sorry. Yeah, Tekken. Yep, sorry. Thank you, brain fart. I was just about to get it. Got it. Thank you. Appreciation. Now, look, on an 8, didn't hit a 9. So I would have liked to see this retrace on a 9. I don't like this. Now, if you go down to the 4-hour over here, though, look, your 4-hour, same thing. You didn't hit a 9 here. You know what? Let me go back. I want to go 6-hour. I'm going to jump back over to this chart right here. 4-hour. Yeah, see, look, you hit a 9 there, 4 hour, no 9 there, 4 hour, no 9 there. Like lots of bearish candles though, lots and lots of bearish candles on these as they played out right there. I'll leave that on the 4 hour. I'm gonna put that on the 6 hour, 4, 6, 12. Moving along, and let's see what we got. Nope, nothing. Doesn't help me. And we went over this yesterday. Nothing's happening. Nothing's moved. Everything's the same. Everything's existing. Your resistance area on the top side still the same. Your trend line still broken. And that's it. Everything is still the same on this. And our major chart still the same. Volume still dying. Absolute. Just the hill, the pathway to doom right there on the volume. Bearish volume. And actually way more bearish volume than we had back here. Now this is where we had a real kind of a, you know, bearish plateau. Kind of the second one, something like that. But yeah, look at that. That's just a really good bearish volume pattern right there. Now that is on the weekly, so we're just going to have to see how this continues to play out. I'm going to breeze through the alts as quickly as I can. Good call on TRX. So look, it looked like double top support right there on TRX, right? And TRX. Also far. Okay, let's see how well that holds. And ETH. Look, ETH came down, tapped this, so we came down and tapped that, bounced up, and I still think we're going to break lower, so we're going to see how this works out. ETH below. All right, at ETC, still retracing. Nano, oh, look at Nano. So Nano broke to the south side right here on the RSI wedge, right? On the all right, so that is interesting. So you had the breakout of the RSI wedge, right? But you haven't had the breakout of the price action wedge. Okay. BAT, ooh, look at that thing. Boy, was I just wrong on that one. Super sucky. Man, BAT had one nice little run back up there. Still looking good. This looks good. Okay, so it looks like we did break support with that double bottom right there. Okay, so it looks like we did break support right here with that double bottom, even though it's very, very, very close. Right? Look at that little wicked out down. Let's see how this plays out. But honestly, this still looks like a triple bottom, like your next support layer. You know, if this thing just completely tanks out, that's where it's going. This is where the party's going to be at, right down there. God, your RSI is low on the 12 hour. Moving up on the 4 hour. That's a tough one. That's still a tough one right there. Your RSI is deep. You know, this thing should possibly, it's trying to break north here. Let's see if we can get some kind of a wedge on here. Man, you just can't. Look at this thing's just moved perpetually sideways. Right? Much tougher to trade. VET still in this wedge, just kind of holding out here on VChain, right? All right, so VeChain's testing the wedge. Wedge 1. Okay. Yeah, TRX looking good. ETH, XRP. Nothing. Losing volume. The volume's just falling out of the sky. I'm just gonna throw an indicator on this thing. I'm gonna actually add RSI on this. Just pull the RSI. I'm gonna go as quickly as I can here. 12 hour. I'm gonna go down to 4 hour. Okay, that's 6 hour. All right. Oh, come on. Okay, let me throw it. I just want to throw a really quick trend line on this thing. See, that kind of gave way right there. Not kind of, that did give way. See if we get a better wedge on the 6 hour. Nope, it's worse. 4 hour. And yeah, that's a little tough to trade that wedge because it did break out of the wedge right there. Okay, so man, I still think there's upside over here. I still think there's upside. Right? I still think there's upside on. So nothing has changed here. Nothing has changed. Okay, LTC, yeah, I got BCH, it's coming. Litecoin, perfect. Look at that, just absolutely amazing, right? LTC below. So you see LTC is perfect support in this upward trend line right here, right? Came down, look at that, just held 1, 2, 3, 4 times trying to hold that support line. This thing has been tested a lot. If it breaks, you're just going to see a continuation down to this next support level. But that's it. This is the make or break right here, right? Either look, if it's going to bounce or it's going to die right here, right? And it's time to pick a damn team on Litecoin. So Litecoin could just break really hard here, really fast. I'd be very careful in any Litecoin trades at this moment. Okay. ZRX, absolutely. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just absolutely insane. Insane sideways movement, right? Just crazy sideways movement. Nothing, absolutely nothing has changed right there. ADA, oh, good, good. Look at this. This is nice. Oh, go Vampy. Go Vampy. Get busy. Right, ADA. Very nice. All right, and doing good. And see a coin. Blah. Okay, still any bleeding BCH. We still have a bleeding 9. We are falling down, right? We're cooling. Listen, we've said this already. This is over in the members area. We said this needed to cool down. So just let it cool down a little bit, right? I still think this has room to go up. Just let it cool. You know, I hate to say, you know, buy the deep, right? BCH. All right. Yep. Okay. Neo. Oh, BCH. Same thing. I still think this has got to cool down a little more. Still think it's got to cool down. That's it. I just think it's got to cool down a little bit more. Let this look at this 12 hours just so freaking oversold. Your daily had a 6, green 6 with a red candle. That's bearish. Let this baby just come back down, reset, and then you guys can take a nice run back up. Neo, same thing. Neo, this 100% is looking like a damn double top. If this is a damn double top, that's my damn double top target, and nothing's changed. And wow, look at that. So listen, I expected a 15% correction and then a bump, right? And I have said this is only a correction and not a bear turn or a bear run or a recession, right? This is not a recession. I've said this over and over and over again. Great job today, stock market. Wow, massive rally. Massive rally. The elections actually went really good for everybody. Everybody's happy. Everybody's all squishy. Everybody can come together. And big kumbaya moment. You know, everybody can say they won. I feel like it's a bunch of participation trophies all getting handed out. And, we'll see how that all goes. We're going to do EOS first. I'm going to make this a quick day today. We're going to make this quick. Let's see what we had for EOS. Oh, my God. I have not done EOS in a long time. Right? Look at very good. All right. Great job. Old EOS call. Right? There was my old EOS. Right? Old EOS call. So perfect E. So came up into the box. I'm going to slide the box over. All right. Same place. So up into the box and dumped out. Right? Perfect. Great trade. Hit the trend line, fell a little bit more. You got the long call and the scalper. Look at this. Look, they were trying so hard. Just the bulls. Finally, they got the nice little bull run. But look at how beautiful this played out. And we're gonna just unlock this. We're gonna move this down a little bit. Come on, unlock. Damn it. Unlock. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, kind of broke out of our trend line right there. Now this wick right here, oh, God dang, I hate these freaking damn wicks. I mean, we're going to go like this. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. Get rid of this. This trend line would be your resistance. Now up here. All right, there's your resistance right there. It's going to be right there, all right? Your support right now is going to be right in here, right? So your support is going to be right down here. And look, you got all this confluence that runs all the way along. All these long trades just show me this is a lot of support right here, right? Long, 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 long. So it just says there's going to be a lot of support right in here. Yep, ETH is trying to dump. LTC just broke the wedge. And oh, look at BC. Look at that. Yay! The crowd goes crazy because Vamp is amazing. Right? That's right. At least that's what I think. You know what I'm saying? My wife, I pay her to think that, so you guys understand. So what do we got here? Yep. Great jobby, Vampy. Look at Vamp. Vamp's on fire right now. I gotta look at my trades. I'm in a damn short right now on Bitcoin. I haven't looked at it. Bitcoin is, there goes Bitcoin. Man, look at that, guys. Look at how amazing that is. Like, look at how crazy that is, right? Right? Look at how crazy that is. Isn't that crazy? Wow, look at that. Look at, there goes Bitcoin. And the crowd goes wild because Vamp is on fire. Look at that. God, I'm good. God, I'm good. I am a fucking beast. Yay! Yeah, no way. Satoshi bought his Bitcoin at like a penny. He'll never sell. This Bitcoin's always going to be worth something. Look at that. Hit the resistance. Absolutely perfecto. And, you know, look at that. You know, sometimes I deserve like a freaking cookie or something like that. Okay? I deserve a freaking cookie. And that's awesome. Great job. Thank you very much. And let's go over and see if we can this thing. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how amazing this bubble chart is. God, this bubble chart's on freaking fire. Golly, man. It's on fire. Unbelievable. If this rolls over right here, it's just insane. Insane if that rolls over right there. After I just got calling out all these bearish crosses. That's so awesome. All right. And wow. All right. I'll take it. Sorry, guys. Got a little interrupted. Oh, look at Litecoin go. Look at Litecoin go. Look at Ethereum go. Eek! XRP. Eek! Tron. Oh, look at that. That went up. Let's see what else we got going on here. Nano trying to break. Raven. Don't do it, Raven. Don't do it. All right, so now we broke the wedge. Gonna get rid of that. And now we're looking to hold this second wedge, right? Now you got this second wedge you're gonna try to hold, and then there's your support line right there, right? So you're gonna try to hold the second wedge, and there it goes. And let's see what we got. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. It feels good to be. Nothing. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's so perfect. All right. All right. Oh, I don't even want to look at this. It's going to be a bloodbath. All right. Yep. Thank you. And there goes Neo. Everything's just falling out of the damn sky. There goes EOS. Did we just post this a second ago? What did we just post on EOS? Did I make a thing on EOS yet? Dude, look at how far EOS just fell out. Look at where it was. It was all the way up here. And then I put this on here, and then it just totally dumped out. That's freaking crazy. Holy cow, that just went quick. That's funny. All right, that was hilarious right there. That was funny right there. That was actually pretty hilarious. And let me try to finish making this before I can, before this thing decides to keep going anymore. Okay, so this would be my first support. Come back down, test the trend line right there. And so look for it to test the trend line. If the trend line broke, it's pretty easy. This trend line broke, I would be looking. Get rid of this. Lock these both in. I mean, you got a lot of support right in here. You got the 5-0, you got the 236. Honestly, if that breaks, this is your next stop right here. You know, but I'd be looking for this to come down and then to get at least a little bit of a bounce off, right? And see if that holds, and then there's your lower side target. It's all up to BTC really right now. And that's it, right? That's it. We're good. Oh, ICX. All right. I swear to God, this last one. ICX. Load new chart. Man, I haven't done ICX. Me and ICX have a love-hate relationship with each other. We really do. Let's see how long it's been since I've charted ICX. That's how long it's been. Right? This is how long it's been right here. That's a long time. Good calls. Look, ABC. Call all the way down to the bottom. I still think the target for ICX is way down here. I'm not going to change that at all. I still think this is the lower area for ICX right here. Right, and just absolute sideways. Let's pull up our favorites. Let's dump our RSI on there. Spiral down, broke out lower. So broke the trend line right there. And yeah, it just headed lower. It's the 4 hour. Let's see if we can get some kind of, there we go. This should be easy. Hold on, I gotta log this. Give me a second. Same thing. Pretty easy. This is real easy. I mean, that's pretty much it. You're in this channel. So even if, oh, can I count? Oh, I bet I can. Almost got it, everybody. Give me a second. Perfect, landed on that. Oh, sorry, I wanted to do B, C, D, ooh, yep. A, B, C, D, E. I did not see ICX as bearish. Man, Ellie, whatever your name is, Ellie, what ILLI, dude. I don't know why you just, dude. I don't know how you get wrecked so often, man. How do you get wrecked so much? I don't know how you get wrecked all the time. You know, how do you always get wrecked so much? right, that's it, everybody. Nice job. Good job trading today. Oh, I'm going to throw some fibs on here. Yeah, he does FOMO the top a lot. Listen, if this is a double top right here, okay? If this is a double top, then... Oh, I locked that in there. Hold on a second. Oh, I don't want that. So this is where the double top ends. Right, if that's a double top, this is where the double top ends right here. It's your support for the double top right there. All right, quick, easy, in, out. Thank you guys all so much, man. That was easy. It was quick. It was fun. I enjoyed being here. Thank you guys all so much. And let's see what the hell happens over the next 24 hours here. I'm really hoping I can make a little bit of money. And I'm already doing good. I'm already making some money today. Finally. I made money on my longs. They're still doing good. And hopefully I'm going to be making some money on my more money on my shorts. It was perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go right here. The Vamp charts. I'm going to go up. All right. And we're going to grab this. Oh, nope, not like that. Perfect. Oh. Okay, where's my main chart at? All right, so thank you guys all so much. I'm about to make a Twitter post. And that's it. I'm about to make a Twitter post. And that's it. Thank you guys all so much. We will be back on tomorrow, hopefully same time. And for the Vamp and all of a sudden until 1 mil, I am out.